had a bunch of things I wanted to say to you all today, and I have to tell you this. I have never been touched by any particular issue since I've been in Harrisburg like I have been touched by this issue. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about a constitutional right to have safe access to fight for your life. Who agrees with that?
Yeah! Woo!
What we're doing right now in the United States of America is that we are separating cure by a zip code. If you don't live in a particular zip code in a particular area, you cannot have legal safe access. We are making law-abiding sick people criminals simply because they want to live, simply because they want safe access to an alternative medication that will actually help them. This has to end. Another thing that really gripes me right now, if I hear from one more opponent that we need more research and more time, I'm going to throw up. Because simply speaking is this, and this is a fact, and I learned this from Dr. Jehan Marcoux, who's here today, but I haven't seen him, so if you're around, please check me out afterwards. But anyway, since 1843 to 2014, there have been over 30,000 white papers on the studies of various forms of medical help that cannabis brings to the table. It's not that we need more research, we need more time to read them. Am I right? Yeah. So listen, you all have done a fantastic job in lobbying this going forward. And it's because of the work that you all have done, at this point, we are very, very close. I know it's football season. I got to use this as an analogy. We are in the fourth quarter. We are in a 2-minute warning. The clock is not on our side. I will admit that. But we got the ball. We're controlling the line of scrimmage, and we're moving the ball down the field. Now we have to execute, execute, execute. We have to educate, educate, educate. We can get this done. We're moving it out of the Senate next week. We're going to move it over to the House. So what do we need now? What do we need right now? We want to vote. What do we want?
We want to vote.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Vote.